In this real review of Magic, launching July 17th, 2021 on Warrior Plus, from Billy Darr, Finn Goswami, and Justin Opay. The big headline here is, I guarantee you've never seen anything like this before. Magic button auto-fires any website to up to 5.2 billion cell phones in 60 seconds. I guarantee you've never seen anything like this before. This is inside the Magic dashboard right here. You can see you have your dashboard, trending offers, money pages, connect social, lead capture, messenger campaign, subscriber manager, SMS campaign, email campaign, your different traffic sources, which we're going to come right back to in a second, link cloaking, backlink machine, offer comparison, and keyword research, and a messenger bot at the bottom. Before we go any further inside of Magic, I want to read it again. I guarantee you've never seen anything like this before. Here on my YouTube channel, I have reviews of Billy Darr products on Warrior Plus. You can see the last 3 products that I've just added to the playlist: Aurora, Viper, Zest. Aurora, look familiar? Viper, really looks pretty much the same. Remember, it was guaranteed that you've never seen this before with Magic. Well, it must be Magic, because look at Zest and tell me that when you take a look at Magic, that you've never seen this before. Back to the sales page. As easy as pushing one button, autopilot buyer traffic in 60 seconds. $9,045.76 made during testing, built especially for beginners. I believe that one, especially for beginners, that's who this sales page is marketing to. Finally, break through the results, quit your job, travel, and become free. Plus, get results or get paid $300. 365-day risk-free guarantee. Grab Magic now and save $50. Some awesome screenshots of money here. Now it's your turn. Don't worry, it's only 2 steps. Step 1, purchase. Click the buy button. Step 2, enjoy. Press the Magic button to send free buyer traffic from up to 5.2 billion cell phones to any website in as little as 60 seconds. You're literally 2 steps away from a life of joy, fun, and freedom. From Billy Darr to the overwhelmed beginner. It continues on and on with this frustration, why you're broke, you can't make any money, it's never-ending hamster wheel. You can't even call it a syndicate, it's just a bunch of rich folks, you're trying to quit your job. I can give it to you straight, you're going to get results because you're struggling, you're living in debt, you're working a job. How can you break through right now, right? All you need is traffic plus what people want, and that equals sales. I do agree with this. The problem is traffic, right? I know I've spoken to 1,000 of you one-on-one via personal phone calls, and you already know that not solving your traffic problem will result in crushed dreams, failure, debt, loans, and stress, pain, regret, and guilt. But not being able to get traffic is only one part of the problem. The problem gets deeper. Nowadays, not only are most traffic sources saturated, they are also very expensive. Methods like solo ads, social media. Let's go back to Magic. And let's just ignore the fact that basically what this is a page builder. You can build landing pages, opt-in pages, thank you pages, webinar pages, coming soon pages, checkout pages, sign up pages, giveaway pages, and reports. Then you connect to social media, which means right here you're going to log into your Facebook. And then once you're logged into your Facebook, you're going to start with lead capture, doing messenger campaigns. You have a section here to control your subscribers, SMS campaigns to send text messages, email campaigns to send emails, and here is the big secret: traffic sources. Select a campaign once you create one. For example, this right here, you are simply going to share to social media, Facebook, Twitter. Click the Twitter icon, and what happens? It opens up social media to share this page that you see right here. We'll go ahead and go to that page. This is what the page looks like. This is what you'll be sending and blasting out to 5.2 billion phones, because simply this page, when you look at it right here, you can see that if I drag it over, this page is somewhat mobile responsive, not actually really very pretty. You can see the headline here is all wonky, and you can see that the email form to fill out the form does not look right. If you move it back, you can see that it looks way better on desktop. But the kicker here, and the reason they say that Magic is because if you were to do this and look at this on your mobile phone, you can see that this page, the page for Magic, is mobile responsive, so you have access to everything here, and you could do it on your phone. Again, you go in and you could click here and you could set up SMS campaigns. And here you can see you would be able to set up your SMS settings. We're going to go back to desktop so you can just see this, because what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to set up SMS campaigns. You're going to need a Twilio, a Plivio, a Clickatel, a Neximo account. You're going to need some type of account to connect this Magic dashboard so you can actually send SMS, which are text messages. For email campaigns, you're going to need to do the same thing. You're going to need to come in here. You're going to need to set up an SMTP, which is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, with Mandrill, Mailgun, SendGrid. I'm not going to go into all the details because there's a card up here in the right-hand corner and a link in the description. You can check out the playlist. You can see all these in Zest, Viper, and Aurora. I've walked through all these settings. I've walked through Mandrill, Mailgun, SendGrid, how much these cost. I covered all these traffic sources again in all those videos that you see here, to include Odnoglasniki, Vekkontaki, Blogger, Email, Zing, Mail.ru, Dubon, Buffer, MySpace. Then you come down here to link cloaking. This is where they provide you a link to go to Bitly or Rebrandly. The backlinks machine is supposed to build you backlinks on these different domains. I covered all this again in the playlist. Offer comparisons, keyword research, messenger bot. It's all the same thing in the other programs. Click here on training. This is the day before the launch. Click on the link for training. It takes you back to the Magic dashboard. There's no training inside of the Magic dashboard the day before the launch. So again, come back to Magic, and the headline here is, I guarantee you've never seen anything like this before. Check the playlist, 3 videos of reviews where I did exactly what this product is. It looks exactly the same because it is the same. There's nothing new here except for the angle, which is the magic button that auto-fires any website to up to 5.2 billion cell phones in 60 seconds. And then to put the icing on the cake, introducing the world's first mobile traffic solution. You saw the traffic and where it comes from, and here's why you must not grab Magic right now, because there's nothing new here. This is the exact same product, just a slightly different sales page with a new angle to get you to buy it. So just like they say here, stop wasting your time and your money on BS methods, because this is definitely a BS method. If you'd like some real training for free to start your own affiliate marketing business, click the link in the description and the pinned first comment. Check that out. If you have any questions, drop them here in the comments on this video. 30-minute timer right here on the screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like the one you see right here. Click it, watch it. I'll see you there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.